Okay, so Cindy and I, along with my father and my mother, have been very busy the last couple of days working on Clark, the trailer, and also doing a little bit of work on Lewis, our truck. I'm going to show you what I've been working on the trailer to make our experience and our life a little easier. Uh, Three things is just water system, propane system, and storage. So here you go. Okay, so here's our water system. Brand new design, Tabor inspired. I got a couple little ideas from YouTube and other things, but this has been on my mind for a while. So I've just got on the top here, I've got 4 7-gallon containers. That lets me have some baffling, so I don't have all the water sloshing around one big giant container. These are just from Walmart. They're going into a PVC distribution manifold. Now, what I've done here, you can see I can set different stops on here. And the reasoning for that is because at one side, and I'll show you in a moment, at one side, it feeds our shower system, our outdoor shower system. And at the other, it's going to feed our kitchen. So coming out here, we've got unions in there, and that's just so that if I have to pull a bottle out for some reason, I can. But let me show you, I'll back up here. And coming out the back side, and this is where our kitchen is. So our kitchen is over here. So now we've got the capability of filling up from that water system without having to lug containers around. And with 28 gallons worth of storage, we can stay out on the trail, out in the dispersed camping for a lot longer. And then bring it over here. So this is our second port, which comes to our Julka hot water system. So we got it there. Excuse the mess. We've got our hot water system here, and that runs off two 2D batteries and propane. I don't have it in here right now, but I do have a small water pump that runs off DC. And then that comes up to our shower stalls and our shower head. We did test this. It gets about, each 7-gallon container, if I'm on high, will get about 1 5-minute shower. And if I'm on low pressure, you could probably get 3 military showers. It takes about 8 minutes to empty out one of those 7-gallon bottles. So one bottle will be for me, one bottle will be for Cindy, and then the other 2 will be drinking water. Now, another thing that we've worked on is our propane. So now we've got a propane connection. So the bottle can just stay there. And running down the back to a quick connect on the back, where that will connect to our Coleman stove for heating water, cooking dinner, without having to move the bottles, which is a pain in the butt. So that's the next one. And then the last thing that we've been working on, Dad and I have been working on, is just this top container area. So made out of cedar, inside's made out of pine. It'll probably destroy itself eventually, but hopefully will be moved on to other campers. But we've got this area here. I've got 4 lawn chairs in there. I've got our 2 gravity chairs, our 2 rockers, obviously the water here, and then I've got another storage area here, which is just about perfect for storing these little Weather Pro containers from Abishon's Hardware, but I think they're pretty universal. So those, oh, not that way, those can fit right in there. The taller ones, like this, actually fit in there. They're 12 inches tall, so they fit in there just perfect. So that's going to let us keep some things that we're going to use more often right up here on top. We don't have to keep crawling into the abyss that is the storage. And so that's what we've been doing. Now I told you too that Cindy and Mom have been working on a project, and that's in the back of Lewis. We had a night a couple nights ago where we were at an RV park and didn't have very many amenities, so we were inside watching TV, and the seats were kind of hard. So they've been working on some cushioning and just making that area feel a little bit more like home. So I'll show you that in a later video, or maybe Cindy will. So that is the Lewis and Clark update for November 2025. Love you guys. Have a good one.